Hi dears, Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. Sometime I randomly create in what's left in my fridge situation. So I just opened the fridge to see what's available. It's eggs and some veggies. So let's make noodles recipe. Who doesn't like noodles? And I love noodles. Today I'd like to share my recipe of egg strip fried noodles. Hope you'll enjoy it. Let's begin. Here I am taking 1 medium-sized onion, 4 green chilies, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, a piece of ginger, 1 tomato, a carrot, a capsicum and 2 to 3 spring onion. You may take any vegetables of your choice like cabbage, French beans, broccoli, etc. Wash it well and slice the onion. Chop the green chilies very finely. Chop half of the tomato. Cut the carrot into juliennes as well as capsicum. Chop spring onion and grind ginger and garlic. Here I am taking 2 sausages for extra taste. You may add chicken or paneer instead or skip this. Cut it into slices. In a bowl, adding half a teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon sweet paprika. You may add red chili powder instead and some salt, and then adding 1 or 2 tablespoons water. Mix it well combined. To this add 3 eggs and beat well. Heat a pan on medium flame, add a tablespoon butter, then pour 1/3 part of the egg mixture. Swirl the pan for even layer. Sprinkle some oregano, it's optional, you may skip this. Flip it and cook for 1 minute. Take it out and do similarly and keep aside. Heat a vessel, add 2 tablespoons butter and 1 tablespoon sunflower oil. Add ginger garlic paste and saute until the raw smell is gone. Adding 2 to 3 cardamoms. To this add sliced sausages, saute well and cook for a couple of minutes. And then adding sliced onion and chopped green chilies, saute for a minute. Chop tomatoes and saute. Now adding carrot and capsicum, again saute for a minute. Don't overcook, it should be little crunchy texture. Goes in half a teaspoon black pepper powder, just a pinch of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon cumin powder. Give it a good mix and add some salt. Mix it again. Turn off the flame and keep aside. Boil the water in a pot. Today I am taking 3 packs of noodles. This is the masala mix coming along in the pack. Time to cook the noodles. Add the noodles into the boiling water. To this adding 2 sachets of masala for 3 packed noodles. Cook the noodles according the package instructions. 3 minutes is the perfect timing for me. And it's perfect. Drain the excess water. Add chopped spring onion and cooked noodles into the cooked vegetable masala. Keep the flame on very low. Mix around until everything is blended. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce and 1 teaspoon crushed red chili and mix well blended, and our noodles is done. Roll the omelets and cut it into thin strips. And serve our hot and spicy noodles with egg strips. Do give a try and enjoy your meal. That's all for today. Hope you'd like it. Do like and share among with your friends and families. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And hit the bell icon for more new updates. Follow my Instagram page, link in my description below. This is Shafana. See you in another video. Until then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.